Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step process to turn off those constant notifications from Google Drive about syncing updates to your files. If you find these alerts distracting or unnecessary, don't worry. Disabling them only takes a minute, and I'll guide you through it from start to finish. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the main settings menu. This is where you control everything related to how your phone and apps behave. Once inside your settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, from your list of all installed applications, locate Google Drive. Tap on it to open its specific settings. This page is where you can manage permissions, storage, data usage, and of course, notifications. Since we want to stop the app from sending syncing update notifications, the next thing to do is select Notifications. Inside the Notifications panel, you'll see different options, so to narrow it down, select Notification Categories. This section allows you to choose exactly what kind of alerts you want to keep and those you'd rather disable. Now, look for the category labeled Other, and within that, tap on the option called Syncing Updates to Files. This is the exact feature responsible for alerting you whenever your files are syncing. The final step is simple. Toggle off the switch that says Allow Notifications. Once you do that, Google Drive will stop sending you those syncing update notifications in the future. And that's it. You've just successfully disabled syncing update notifications for Google Drive on your phone. From now on, you won't be interrupted with alerts each time your files are updated in the background, but the app will continue syncing everything just as it normally does. You're only turning off the notification alerts, not the syncing itself. So, if you prefer a cleaner, less distracting notification bar, this method gives you complete control. It's quick, easy, and makes your phone feel just a bit more organized. Thanks for watching.